Is an Alloy Splashback fire resistant? Yes, Alloy Splashbacks are fire safe behind any hob and have been tested in accordance with Euroclass SBI EN 13501-1. But who knows what that means? Let me break it down for you. Fire testing and classification standards for construction products have been harmonised in European standard EN 13501-1, and this product classification determines a product's fire performance by assessing characteristics such as flame spread, ignitability, smoke production, heat release, and capability to produce flaming droplets or particles. So in short, yes, Alloy Splashbacks are fire resistant and they meet European fire resistant standards.